Budget-friendly septic tank treatment options. Keeping your septic system in good condition doesn't have to be expensive. Regular maintenance helps prevent clogs, odors, and costly repairs. Luckily, there are affordable ways to treat your septic tank using natural methods, budget-friendly products, and simple care habits. Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Here are some effective and inexpensive options to keep your system running smoothly. 1. Use natural DIY treatments. Homemade remedies can help maintain your septic tank without harsh chemicals. Baking soda and vinegar. Pour 1 cup of baking soda followed by 1 cup of vinegar into your drains once a month to keep pipes clear and control odors. Yeast treatment. Flushing a packet of active dry yeast down the toilet every few months helps bacteria break down waste efficiently. Lemon and borax. Mixing lemon juice with borax creates a natural cleaner that removes grease and supports healthy bacteria in your system. 2. Choose affordable store-bought additives. If you prefer commercial treatments, many cost-effective options are available. Enzyme-based products. Use natural enzymes to break down waste and prevent buildup. Biodegradable additives. It's improve septic health without harmful chemicals. Liquid bacteria treatments. Adding liquid bacteria to your tank boosts microbial activity, helping waste decompose faster. 3. Practice smart septic maintenance. Good habits can reduce the need for frequent treatments and save money on repairs. Pump your tank regularly. Routine pumping prevents solids from clogging your system. Conserve water. Using too much water can overwhelm your septic tank. Install low-flow toilets and fix leaks to reduce waste. Avoid harsh chemicals. Bleach, ammonia, and antibacterial soaps kill helpful bacteria. Use septic-safe cleaning products instead. Caring for your septic system doesn't have to be costly. Simple habits, natural treatments, and affordable additives can keep your tank running efficiently. By following these budget-friendly tips, you can prevent major issues and extend the life of your septic system. Worried about your septic tank? Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year by using Septifix? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching.